Listen, have you seen the GLP-1 and GIP success stories online lately? People losing weight, people saying they have fewer cravings, people saying they finally feel in control around food. That is amazing and it's mind-blowing and it's awesome. But what benefits can people realistically expect? And what should we be careful of not to expect? And that is the importance. Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Tweki, and on this channel we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP and peptides and food supplements in a simple, practical way that can help you to lose weight or manage your weight. In my previous videos, I introduced GLP-1 and GIP hormones and peptides and explained how they work inside of our bodies. Today we're looking at some of the benefits people commonly report and why realistic expectations are so important. And this is very important because I believe with the right knowledge and the right expectations, we can make the right choices when it comes to weight loss. As always, remember, I am not a doctor. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your healthcare provider regarding your own health needs. I cannot help you with that because I'm not a professional. I'm only sharing my knowledge and my journey with you. One of the biggest benefits people report is feeling less hungry. Many say they feel satisfied for longer after eating, thinking about food less often. And that is amazing. Another common benefit is fewer cravings. Cravings may not disappear completely, but many people find it easier to manage them. And that is very important. If we can manage those cravings, oh boy. Many users also report feeling full with smaller portions, which can help support healthier eating habits. And that is very important. Remember, with any weight loss program, you must follow healthier eating habits. For many individuals, weight management is another important benefit, and that is why most women are looking at GLP-1 and GIP. When combined with our healthy lifestyle habits and medical supervision, some people experiencing meaningful weight loss. However, results may vary from person to person. Some GLP-1 and GIP peptides or supplements may also help support blood sugar management. This is an important benefit that often gets overlooked when people focus only on weight loss. And that is a health benefit, and it's very, very awesome. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. First, the peptides are tools. It's not a magic wand you can swipe. Today and tomorrow you are slim. Healthy eating, movement, sleep and stress management still matter. Listen to it. It still matter. Second, every person is different. Some people notice changes quickly while others experience slower progress. Avoid comparing yourself to someone else's journey. That is very important because we are not the same. Thirdly, progress is not always perfect. There are ups and downs or weeks when results may seem slow. The goal is progress, not perfection. One step at a time. Fourth, long-term change takes time. Remember that meaningful transformation really happens overnight. One thing I've learned through my own health journey is that whether you are rebuilding your health or if you are healing from challenges like I had with my double amputations or creating new habits, lasting change usually happens one step at a time. Slow steps, small daily choices often create the biggest results over time. Not overnight, no, over time. GLP-1 and GIP peptides may offer significant benefits for people, but the best approach is education, realistic expectations, healthy habits, and support from healthcare professionals, and that is very important. So in my next video, we're going to discuss common side effects and how people often manage them. And this is very important because there are side effects to these peptides. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it and subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who can benefit from this. Don't forget to download my free GLP-1 and GIP introduction guide using the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. And remember, one step at a time. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not a magic wand, these peptides. But with the right knowledge and with the right mindset, you can accomplish what you want to accomplish from GLP-1 and GIP. I see you in the next video, step by step. Remember, step by step. Blessings. See you then.